Women are more susceptible to depression. Women are more likely to fall into depression because they often blame themselves for the negative situation that they are in. A study has concluded that the female brain activates emotion when they feel pain. Women feel more attracted to men if they see other. Women smiling at them, sex is a great stress buster, lowering blood pressure and calming you down. Usually, women are naturally altruistic towards their children, and to a lesser extent, close family members. Women tend to be attracted to men with a good sense of humor. The female mind is more adept to reading body language and facial expressions than men. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look forward to 7 years younger. Women with higher IQs have a hard time finding a partner. A woman is sexually aroused by successful businessmen who cause her to daydream about flying worldwide for the purpose of building successful businesses. During orgasm, the average heart rate is 140 beats per minute. Psychological Facts of Female study says, women felt that men became more attractive if they saw other women smiling at them. Females have ambivalent feelings in regard to males who reward them by talking a lot and engaging in mutual gazing. Anxiety is most common in young females, usually around 18 to 24 years of age. Sex is a natural cure for headaches. Normal, healthy, adult women often become sexually aroused by words and communication, and their effect on the women's inner mental process creates pleasurable emotions. And from this primary process follow the biological signs of sexual arousal. Women who prefer to have more male friends are happier, healthier, and live longer. Women who prefer to have more male friends than female friends are happier, healthier, and tend to live longer. Sperm can travel up to 7 inches in an hour. Women who prefer to have more male friends are happier, healthier, and live longer. Females are better at multitasking than males according to studies. For example, household things, cooking, cleaning, etc. You burn approximately 100 calories in a single sex session. Females have a slower breathing rate in comparison to males. If you're sexually attracted to someone, it's harder to lie to them. Females are better than males at remembering faces.